target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I got a great video here. It's about the Netflix 100% gains in large options. Okay, this is a great investment. This is what a lot of people wish they can do. And again, I explain this in my live stream, so make sure coming to my live streams, Power Trigger Trade. I did this heads up and everything, and all people had to do was come inside. Anyways, let's go into the video quickly together, people. All right, so here's the video, Power Target Trades live stream, Apple, SPY, Amazon, Netflix, Tesla, June 13th, okay? So this is inside the video. I have to play it. What I'm going to do now is open the full screen, and basically, you can see at the time when I made this, so this is June the 13th. It's a little bit blurry here, but should be easily clear. This is June the 13th, and the 380 calls cost 2,000. Well, they closed $2,050. Okay, and I said Netflix is set up to test 410 to 430. The July 20th 380 calls could be used. That's right, people. Right there was a bit blocked off over there because of the way I'm filming this, but inside the video you can see. Basically, I posted the confirmation inside of PowerGroupTrades, but I showed people live. I was making the video. I showed how I made it, the plan, and I explained how bullish I was on Netflix. And of course, Power Trigger Trade's plan delivered greatly. So let's go see the confirmation numbers of Netflix inside of PowerGroupTrades together. So again, this was where the live stream was posted June the 13th. You know, receiving nice gifts from a lot of people. You know, unlike the stock clown over here, losing subscribers and giving bad advice. Wrong the SPY since 225. Power Trigger Trade delivers massive gains. This is the. I can just open this. Give me a second here and click it. This is the stock clown. Losing subscribers will I gain, of course. Stock clown. Anyways, people, let me show you. Just give me let me set. All right, so this is the Netflix plan posted before the market opened here, June 14th. Let's take a look over here. So let's click. So as you can see, Netflix needs to break above 385 to confirm. So my instructions were that this needed to break above 385 to confirm, based on a lot of statistical measurement that I look at. And of course, Power Trigger Trade, you know, big time correct once again. All right, so let's take a look at the confirmation. So here it is, Netflix confirming with the July 20th 380 calls at $2,400. So as you saw in the video, before confirmation they costed about $2,050, but on confirmation they cost $24,000. Let's take a look at where they went today, June the 20th. We're going to go to the video on that right now. All right, so here we are, June the 20th, around 12 p.m. and here are the options, greater than 100% gains from the 2,400. Well, about 100, yeah, a little bit greater than 100% gains on large priced options. As you saw, the entry was $2,400 on these July 18 380 calls. Here's the June, right? Here, as now we were breaking out. I actually posted I said if we break 417 we're going to go hit higher. But right now you can see here practically $4,900 of the options, and still more to come. I'm going to record this here for 12:01 p.m. To log in the greater than 100% gains, doubling your money in large price options. Now that stock clown is skill. Power Trigger Trade, people. Let's go back to the video. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades. Isn't that a nice new banner here I made here, people? Great new intro video. I kind of based the this banner based on the new intro video I made. Great work. So anyways, people, you want to study my created playlist. Again, great gains in Netflix, great 100% gains in large priced options. This is something the penny stock traders, a lot of people out there, especially the old world thinkers, wish they could do, but they cannot do. Let me show you what I mean quickly. I have to show you this. So here I am back at Power Trick or Trade. Oh, tweet on the video. You know why? I was blocked. I had a laugh. You know why? I burnt the guy. Here it is. The guy said he made a mistake. I said, yep, old world thinking does not work in this era. Netflix. It is big picture expert era, my friend. You see this guy here? Mark, let's take a look at here. Let's laugh together, people. Yes, this guy, Mark M. Yusko. Oh, this is old world thinking, loser, and then make no money. Ha ha ha! Stop clown. Anyways, people, that's what I'm trying to tell you, people. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Old world thinking. He couldn't take the truth, and he ran for his life because this guy wants to go against Power Trick or Trade. I'll bankrupt him. I will bankrupt this guy. You understand? These guys know it. They know it. They run for their life. I will bankrupt anyone that thinks they can outdo the Power Trick or Trade. Bankrupt them. Guaranteed. Too powerful. All right, people. Back to Power Trick or Trade. Listen, people. So if you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe here manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. You're going to hear me speak to you one-on-one at the end of the video. We'll explain you what to do. But I always tell people, study my creative playlist, study my winning plans. Just this plan here, the Netflix plan, I took it from start, line the live stream, to confirmation in Power Group Trades, to the end result, for Power Target Trades, for all to see the power of Power Trick or Trade, the new leader forever in this era. New era. It's the Power Trick or Trade era. Let's see what I say. Alright, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions, and I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Now let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like